Ranking number one on Google is tough. Wouldn't it be great if you can get more traffic than your competition from SEO, even if you ranked lower than them? Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel, and today I'm going to teach you how to get more traffic than your competition when you rank lower than them. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, when I go live, you'll get notified. So first off, I want you to go to Google, and I want you to type in something simple. Just type in Uber Suggest Chrome extension. All right, and then you'll see a link here. I'm going to open it up in a new tab for you, and just install it. Okay, when you install it, you'll see a U right here. If you don't see the U, just click on the plugin thing right here, that plugin icon, and then you can click on the U and pin it. So if you unpin it, it's not pinned. If you click pin, it then ends up getting pinned. And it really is that simple. So then whenever you do a Google search, I'm going to go back to Google, and let's type in a keyword like marketing. So when you type in a keyword like marketing, you'll see the Chrome extension. It'll tell you how many searches a keyword gets, the cost per click. You can click here, view all. You can see trends on that keyword, age range, all that kind of good stuff, and keywords on the side. One of the key aspects for SEO is keywords. The more keywords you're targeting, assuming they're relevant and good keywords, the more traffic in general you can get from SEO. But here's the thing. It's really hard to rank number one no matter how good you are at SEO for every single keyword out there. It's unrealistic. I'll never rank number one for all the keywords I'm trying to go after. You're never going to rank number one for all the keywords that you're trying to go after, and no one else will either. But you may rank 1, 2, 3, or even on page 1 or page 2 for some of the keywords. Many you could be ranking on number one, and you'll average out, and whatever your position is, it is. And what you'll find is people who rank number one don't always get the most traffic. So if you look at this Uber Suggest extension, under each organic URL, you'll see their domain authority. You'll see their estimated visits that the page gets from SEO, how many social shares from Facebook or Pinterest. Some only have Facebook shares or Pinterest or neither, and how many backlinks a URL has. And you can click the drop down and it'll pull up things like the backlinks. And you can even click the down arrow on estimated visits, and you can see the estimated visits for that page, and it'll show you the keywords that are driving those visits. Like here, marketing, what is marketing, marketing definitions in business, and the list goes on and on. Now let's go through this keyword. Okay, as you can see here, the number one result is getting 116,000 visitors. Number two result is getting 27,000. Number three result, check this out, is 241,000 visits. How is it that the number one result is getting less traffic than the number three result? Well, it's because this webpage here, Investopedia, ranks number one for marketing, but there's a lot of other terms that page ranks for, as I showed you, right? What is marketing is another keyword, and I can keep clicking next. Marketing definition in business, it's another keyword. And their ranking varies for all those terms. If I look here at this page on AMA, which is a third result, and I'm going to hit the drop down really quickly, it ranks for marketing, what does marketing mean, marketing definition, and a long tail of keywords related to marketing, which is how they get more traffic. And you can export them so you can get the full list. But the point I'm trying to make is, even if you don't rank number one, you can use the extension to export the keywords, and it'll take you to Uber Suggest app where you can export there. And you can export the results for any term, like the marketing one, right? I can just export it. Go here, click view all, and same thing. I can end up exporting it to CSV, and you can get the full list. But the point I'm trying to make is, I want you to do this for any terms that you could be ranking on that you may not be ranking number one. For example, here's a keyword SEO. You know, I'm not ranking number one. Moz ranks ahead of me. Another search engine land, Google, Wikipedia, then me. But look, I'm getting more traffic than Wikipedia, even though they rank ahead of me. And what I want you to do is look at the people above you and start looking at the keywords they rank for, and just keep clicking next, and you'll see all the popular keywords, their position, and that'll give you ideas of keywords that you should include in your article. So if you look at this, SEO with Google, Google SEO, and then if I look at mine, all right, let's see if I rank for anything related to Google SEO. I don't rank anything for Google SEO, and that term gets good traffic. So I should include that in my article, which can boost my overall traffic. Even if I don't rank number 1 for that term, it's another term that I could end up ranking for on this page. And that's how you get a lot of keyword ideas and generate more traffic than your competition, even if you rank lower than them. Because what you want to do is look at all the keywords that other players rank for that are getting a lot of visits. And you can see it by just clicking the down arrow. And you'll want to skip the ones that don't get much traffic. So this one's getting 3,000 visits. So I probably won't look at that. WordStream 33,000. I'm at 50,000. Oh no, that's WordStream again is at 50,000. I'm at 37. So even though I rank higher than WordStream and they're more lower on the page, they're ranking for other terms that I'm not ranking for, like SEO optimizing, SEO optimizations, that I should start including within my content so I can rank higher. And then what you'll want to do is just include the ones that are relevant, rewrite your copy, update it, and over time, you'll start ranking for more terms and getting more traffic. I hope that helps you get more search traffic than your competition, even when you're ranking lower than them. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Or if you just want help and you want my agency to do it all for you, check out Neil Patel Digital. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.